Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find an expert on the LinkedIn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the pause button down below, which is the third option, then scroll down till you find the find an expert button. So you should describe what you're looking for in a few questions, such as what do you need help with, select a category, then what type, then the location should be indicated, as well as the description. There is a preset description here. If you are done with it, tap on the button next at the top. Here is your text and post inserted. So if you want, you can add your additional text, hashtags and pictures and other attachments. If you are done with it, tap on the pause button in the upper right corner. As you can see, it's posted successfully. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.